What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy here. We're in a garage today, and we got this drain that's clearly backed up. So we're gonna try snaking it out to see if we can get it cleared up. Here's the Milwaukee M18, the 7/8 cable. We got our 3-inch cutter here. This is gonna be just full of mud, so we gotta see if we can get it. It should be power washed. So we're gonna try the bigger head or the more. Alright, we just had to change the batteries. Get another cable. Here goes. So as you guys can see, the basket has been broken at the bottom. And they have repaired it. See if we can get you guys in a position here. All right, we're gonna go back in. Am I in your way here? The Volkswagen?
Yeah.
Not a problem. I'm going to move this for you. Just trying to get this thing to drain.
I know, they wash it down.
Oh, the cars? They wash down?
No, they wash.
Oh, they wash the
floors.
garage. Okay.
Well, they should do this after they wash the floors. Because when I was on the board, we used to.
Well, that'd be common sense.
And now, this has gone on like this.
Yeah, like even this, right? Like the basket inside's been broken, right? I've noticed
yeah.
a couple of them like that. So that's one thing they should get looked at as well, but I'm just...
I'll leave her a note.
Yeah, I'm gonna let, is it Michelle? I'm gonna let Michelle know, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna talk to her.
But see, this should be done right after they do the floor wash. That'll get rid of the dirt. Where does the dirt go? Right there.
Right.
That,
You know just as well as I do. Are you able to get through with this cover open? I can close this up here, you know what?
I can get through.
Yeah? You have yourself a good day, okay?
You did.
Thanks a lot, I appreciate that. Got lots of room. Thanks a lot, have a great day. All right, guys, there you go. Everything's down, you can see that. They gotta get these baskets changed out like I was talking to the gentleman about. I think there's probably maybe 9 or 10 drains in this garage. I'm gonna probably talk to the management and see if they want me to clean them all. How you doing? So we're just cleaning the drains here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is there an issue with this?
Yeah, this one was backed up. Michelle called it in.
Okay.
Yeah, so, why?
Typical crap.
It's all sand, right?
Oh, shit, yeah.
winter
So
weather.
every time they come and clean the garage,
How often do they do that?
like once a year.
Once a year? And
But the guys, the last time, they hosed everything down the drain. It's like, fuck.
yeah, they gotta,
You gotta suck it up, basically.
well, recommend, like I'm gonna recommend this to Michelle, after they're done, right? Because it's hard to, like that's a lot of volume of water.
It is a lot of water.
And to suck that up and take it away,
Yeah.
right? You're spending thousands.
But on the other hand, you're dumping all this,
Well, yeah, it dumps down, but then if they get it the actual drains power washed,
Yeah.
or at least at the very minimum snaked
you gotta
afterwards.
I'm on the board, so I gotta, if that's a suggestion, that afterwards
Yeah,
we
that's
snake
definitely
the drains.
That's what I would do.
Because usually over at the other end, it blocks up, right?
Okay, yeah. Because I believe you got a sump pit over here. I
Yeah.
noticed the plate there.
Yeah.
I didn't go look into it, but
Yeah.
I did notice the plate there when I was driving around looking for this
Yeah.
one. But yeah, like you can see the basket, how it's actually broken there,
Yeah,
right?
I can see that, yeah.
So
That's supposed to be like a...
It's supposed to be a complete basket to catch any of the sediment, but a lot of times
They
the
break.
drain will plug,
Yeah.
and when the guy comes in, it's like maybe it's been rusted around, they can't get open, they break it, right? And so my recommendation to you guys would be to firstly go in, make sure all the baskets are able to come out.
Okay.
If they're not, get them out.
Before we
Well,
power wash the
Before you
garage.
power wash, right?
Yeah, it's
Because if
good.
we come in and let's say we got a huge flood here, right? It wasn't bad. It actually seeped down a bit below the cover
Yeah.
before I arrived, which is good because if I got to start hitting this sink,
Yeah.
water splash everywhere. If you got expensive cars, right? People don't want water splashed on their cars.
Yeah, I
right?
hear you.
So, like,
Okay. And I know they're gonna paint the garage. I don't know if they're gonna paint in here. This this is not painted, but the other sections have been painted white, right?
Okay, yeah,
So I don't know if they're gonna paint here or not, so.
So if you do that, right, I would strongly recommend to the painters, right, if any of the board members have access to the painters, right?
Oh, yeah.
Tell them, make sure they're not dumping stuff, because like,
Oh,
if
yeah,
they got
no.
access paint, right, it's like, it goes
Okay.
down and it solidifies inside the drain.
I will,
So just a
I will
heads
keep
up,
that in
right?
mind.
I appreciate it.
All right, well, listen,
but
I
yeah.
won't bother you anymore.
I'm basically done here, I'm just wrapping up, and yeah, I'll mention everything to Michelle as
Have
well.
a great day. My name's Peter, by the way.
Peter, my name is Jay.
Hey, Jay.
All right?
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You too. Have yourself a great day, all right? Thanks a lot, Peter. All right, guys, there you go. So, like I said, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time, Trug.